today we had a special guest with Dr. Cruz, and he played Mr. Rogers and Coming to the Neighborhood. And it was fun because we were able to introduce all of the people here on campus and acknowledge the wonderful things that our staff does.
Well, who could that be?
Hi, I'm Michelle Good, and I am your assistant principal, and I'm here because I want to make sure that you become the best person you can possibly be.
At the end of the assembly, whenever they were supposed to end it, they did like a little play, and like they pulled up all the teachers. My favorite thing about Williams is that the teachers are really nice.
It's Judge Steve, how are you?
Mr. Rogers really embodies what we're trying to do, I think, at AISD and especially at Williams, developing community, accepting people for who they are, helping children to understand these really hard things that are going on in the world and in their lives.
It's being here at Williams and watching how the teachers and staff really work hard at getting to know the students, both academically and socially. It's phenomenal to watch how the students grow.